Plant your palms flat down. Lift your butt up. We're going to work into Bakasana once again. Bend your elbows. Work your knees high on the triceps. Look forward, not back. Lean weight into your hands. And maybe 1 foot at a time, begin to lift up into your Bakasana crow. If you can't get your feet up off the ground yet, that's where you're going to work. Keep working on that. If you're hovering in your crow, keep looking down right at the mat. Lower your shoulders down. And at the last moment, tuck your chin. Place the crown of your head down. Push into your hands, pull your heels to your butt, lift all the way up, tripod headstand. Now, if you like tripod, but you don't know how to transition yet from crow to tripod, then you can just pop up into a tripod near a wall. Bend your knees. Pull the knees back into the armpits. This is much harder to go back up. Put your butt down and just see if you can lift. Round your upper back. Start to look down where your head was. Pull your knees up, your arms, inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog.